So we'll start off by understanding how a basic HTML document is designed. Okay. Every HTML document has a certain format, right? And this certain format is associated with tags. So what you see on the screen right now is a simple HTML document, right? One of the simplest of them.
Yes, yes.
You can see that there is a HTML opening tag, right? There is a opening triangle bracket, closing triangle bracket, and within that there is something written as HTML. And there is a closing tag, right? How is a closing tag different from an opening tag? There is a slash at the start of HTML, right?
Yes.
So this is a closing tag. Within HTML tag, there is a head tag, right? So head opening tag, head closing tag, and there is a body tag. Inside the head tag, we usually put some information about our website, the title of our website, and some links to some styles, or you can say some designs. Okay, we'll look into what these styles or designs are. Okay, but for now, just remember that inside the head tag, we put some information regarding our website and some styles. Okay.
Okay.
Inside the body tag, we put the actual information, right? You can read the script now. So whatever information we want to display on our web page, that goes inside the body tag. You can see body tag is opening here and closing here. I'll just put some space.
But nothing is displayed.
Just one thing is written, hello world, right? So if we click on run.
Okay, after
hello world, right?
Hello world.
Now inside HTML, we have different types of tags, right? We have H1 tag. You know what H1 tags?
Yes, biggest one.
H1 is the biggest
word. No, the word will be of bigger font.
Sorry?
The letter will be of bigger font.
Yes, font size will be big, right? So it will be a heading.
Yes.
Right. So we'll just write Kiki challenge, we'll run it, and you can see font is bigger, right? If I bring a 2, H2, okay, I'll just copy the same text. It will be a little bit smaller, right?
Yes.
Let's run it. And you can see the difference directly, right? Let me just put an H3. Okay, and H4. So we can compare all of them. And H5. And then an H6, right?
That's it, up to H6 or up to how much?
It's only up to H6. So H6 is very smaller. There is no sense in going smaller than H6, right? Then it becomes normal text. So you can see it is decreasing one by one, right? Okay, let's.
Yes.
Well, I'm going to comment this out. So nothing will be displayed, right?
Yes.
Commented it out. Now we have to look at something known as a paragraph tag. So paragraph tag is normal text displayed, right? Anything you write to do display as a normal text. No bold, no underline, no nothing. Okay, just a normal paragraph tag. So we'll write challenge. Okay, let's run it. And you can see normal paragraph tag, right? It's like the hello world that we saw in the starting. Okay. If we want to display another paragraph, we can display it here. So I'll just say P.
But this is same as the H1 tags, like H2 tags or
yes, but in that case they are bigger and they have bold. In this case, it is not big. The font is not big enough, and they do not have the bold property, right? The font is not bold.
Yes.
And you can see that this one comes here and the second one comes here, right? What if I want to insert an image, right? So let's insert an image. So we are going to copy the link of this image from here. And to insert an image inside a document, we use something known as an IMG tag. Okay.
Okay.
Now, IMG tag takes a source, which is in short form written as SRC. Source as in where is the image stored, or where do I pick up the image from. So the source is this image, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to paste the link within the double quotation marks like this. Source SRC is equals to double quotation mark open, paste the source, double quotation mark close. Okay.
Okay. Like string.
Like a string, exactly. Right. So it is coming a little bit big, right?
Yes, very big.
What I'll do right now is I'm going to make a small change. Okay, you don't have to understand this right now, what is going on here. But basically I'm setting the width of the image tag to 10%. Okay, so the size is much smaller. We'll look into the CSS in the coming classes, not right now. Okay, but
Okay.
since we have to work with it, I'm going to decrease the size. Done?
Yes, it is correct.
Now, this much information is not quite enough. So we need to provide a link here for read more. Okay. I'm going to go back. I'm going to search if there is a Wikipedia page for it. Yes. Right. I'm going to copy this link and I want to insert a link here that will say read more. If I click on that link, it should take me to another web page. So that is known as an A tag or an anchor tag. Okay.
Okay.
So A tag.
HREF means?
Sorry.
HREF means?
HREF means it's similar to source as an image. It is a link where you have where it will take you when you click on this link. Okay. The target web page. And here I'll write read more and then I'll close the A tag like this. Okay. Here more space. Okay.
Yes.
This is the image tag. This is the A tag. So I opened the A tag. Inside the href, I provided the link of the web page to which I want to visit. Then I have to display a text read more and then close the A tag. I'll run it. And there is a read more. I'll click on read more. And you can see it has taken me to the Wikipedia web page, right?
Yes.
Let's run it again to go back to our application. This read more is coming directly after this image. Okay, that is not good. It should come on the next line. So there is something known as a break line. BR. BR takes the text to the next line, right? Whatever it is, it will take to the next line. See? If I insert one more.
No need of BR slash BR.
No, there is no closing tag for it. There is just opening one. Like IMG, there is just opening one. There is no closing one, right?
Yes.
Some of the tags don't close. Some of the tags just open, right? If I add more BRs, it will keep going down. It will keep adding break lines. Okay, see, there is so much space over here now, right?
Yes.
So we have looked into P tag, which is normal text display. We have looked into image tag, which is image display. BR tag, the anchor tag, which is for routing to another web page, and the H1 to H6 heading tags, right?
Yes.
Tell me your doubts.
Nothing. But that meta chart sheet, that all I cannot understand.
Yes, let's jump into that myself, the profile page. Okay, and let's create that. I'm going to share this with you. So I'll need your email address, or let me generate it. Okay, I'm going to share it inside the chat box. You can look at this code.